Hey, what's up everyone? This is Giorgio, your friendly neighborhood YouTuber, and I have a very special unboxing for you all, and it is the ZOA ENERGY Mini Fridge, and I won this in a giveaway from the ZOA Energy Drink Instagram account. Alright, so there it is, the frosted grape, which came before the refrigerator did. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. Right here, we already got some on the side by the Mortal Kombat 2 arcade cabinet. And then on the side, as you can see, there is some, look, you can see like the new flavors, the new canned flavors. And it's really, really, really nice. And I wanted to say thank you to Dwayne Johnson, Danny Garcia, and the whole ZOA Energy Drink team for this awesome gift that I will cherish forever. And I'm just so very grateful and thankful to you. And I'm going to use this to help fuel my YouTube content creating career and make the best retro gaming channel you've ever seen in your life. So, with that being said, let's sip our ZOA and let's go.